going to unbox a new camera. It is called the Firefly 8s. It's a new version. I got the no distortion version. I think it just released within in the last few days. And let's open it and see what's inside. So we've got this camera. Okay, let me remove the sticker first, and just take it out and see. Take a look at the camera. Texture, it feels pretty good, and yeah. Let's and the box on the other side. Let's see what we've got. Some instruction and more stickers, some cleaning cloth, and a lot of different mounts. And I have to download the software first while it's charging, and I will show you more later. I think my camera is charged, and let me show you how it works. So first, I'm going to insert the micro SD card to the micro SD slot. So let's turn it on first. There is a button here called mode button / also the power button. When you hear the beeping sound, it means it's turned on. And then you can see the LED lights is blue here. If it's in the video mode, it will turn blue, but if it's photo mode, it will turn green. They also have a selfie camera they call selfie mirror in the front, but I don't think it's useful at all because it's just like a decoration in the front. It's not much use. It's not very useful. So, and let's flip it around, and you can see now I am in the video mode. I can also switch to photo mode, and the button on the side this is the up button and this is the down button. You will know when this button is used for the menu. When you check the menu, you you can select from right to left or left to right. And also we have the battery door here. It's not very easy to slide open. Maybe yeah, like this. This is the battery. And they also, on the other side, they have a HD port and a USB port, but they already label on it, so you will know. Oh, and when you press the down button for 3 seconds, it will the Wi-Fi will be on. I don't know what's going on with the mode right now, so I'm going to turn it off first, and then turn it back on. So I turn it back on, and on the side I choose this. Now this one is the menu. They have the settings, photos, burst, playback, time lapse, and long exposure. And here in the menu, in the setting menu, you have to push the down button to select. We have photo size, photo quality, long exposure, photo stamp, self timer, photo burst, time lapse photo, sharpness, AWV, EV value, ISO, metering, photo size, photo quality, and if you want to go check it, you have to push the button on the top here. That's called the OK button. You push the button, and the default setting is super fine, so we'll leave it at that. And then if you want to check the other functions, you can, like long exposure. Let's also go to, if you want to, self timer, photo burst. Photo burst is for, you know, like it takes photos continuously, like maybe 3 seconds per photo, or 5 seconds. It will just keep doing it. And they have the sharpness. Let's go to the sharpness. Sharpness is normal. Okay, when you want to select the setting button here, you have to click this small button over here. We have a quick capture, delay off, TV mode. Let's check the TV mode. It's NTSC. They have PAL and NTSC. As I say, is the default setting, light frequency, OSD, LCD brightness. They have tons of options. And the language, oh, one thing I have to mention is the language. It's the default setting is English. They have 2 more language for you to choose. One is Chinese and the other one is Russian. I know a lot of people concerned about the language settings. They're afraid they just have the Chinese setting, but actually not. It comes when I turn it on, you can see it's the English version. And the auto shutdown function is for like after 2 minutes, I think. Then it will auto shut down. Yeah, 2 minutes. If you're not doing anything with it, it will shut down by itself. That's the beeping sound comes from. You can turn it off also. Status LED is in the front. Now it's blue. It's because it's in the video mode. It's for recording. The time setup automatically it updates the time, I think. Language. Wi-Fi, yeah. The Wi-Fi function you can connect it to it's for connecting to cell phone, so that you can also modify, you can also edit pictures and your videos there. And the Wi-Fi SSID is just the name of the Wi-Fi you can modify. And if anything goes wrong, you can just go back to the default setting and reset everything. And because they have an app that you can download, so I downloaded it. They have the card here for the QR code for you to scan, but I already downloaded it. It's here. So it's called Firefly Cam. So, and I have to connect it first. As I say, if you push the up-down button for about 3 seconds, the Wi-Fi will be on. So the Wi-Fi is on, and I will go to my settings. And the default password on this camera is 1234567 and then connect. Okay, well now it's connected. We are going back to connect it with our camera. So you can see you can see it from my camera. Yeah. You can see me from here, and actually the setting here is all they have on this camera also. It's what I just showed you. So now I'm going to shoot a little video of myself, and I'm going to change the video resolution first. And I'm going in, I'm going to choose the, okay, now, and you have to push the mode button to cancel it also, like to quick out everything. And going to video record. Let's see. Maybe on this side. Let's see. I want to. And let me. Alright. So, and then I can go check my video in here. In the cache, yeah, it has to cache a minute. If you wanna share it, you have to download it first. So I will just start downloading, and maybe later I will go check it. Maybe after I download, it will be smoother. I set up my usual camera with and also the Firefly AS camera. I want to compare their quality, and so you can see here, this is the camera 1 and camera 2 and Firefly camera and my usual camera. I have to go out to run some errands, and I'm going to bring it with me to test it. So this is the Firefly AS review video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you want to buy one, I definitely recommend it because the video and the photos, they came out really nice.